Digestive system is otherwise called as alimentary canal. This diagram represents digestive system. It has various parts: mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and rectum. Now we see about each and every part function. First one is mouth, scientific name, that means anatomical language, fecal cavity. It comprises mouth, tongue, teeth, and salivary gland. What is the role of teeth? Chewing and grinding food into small tiny particles. What is the role of tongue? Rolling food and helps facilitate the process of chewing up of the mouth. Salivary gland, 3 glands presented. First one is parotid gland, submandibular gland, sublingual gland. Salivary gland basically have saliva. It is secreted amylase enzyme. What is the role of amylase enzyme? It will convert starch into simple sugar. After digest, the food move into food pipe or tube. That scientific name is called as esophagus. Then with the help of esophagus, food move from mouth to stomach. That movement name is called as peristaltic movement. Then food now reach to stomach. Maximum of digestion occur in small intestine. The wall of stomach, it has gland presented in them. The lining of stomach gland is presented, named is called as gastric gland. That small round, this part name is called as gastric gland. It secreted gastric juice containing HCl acid, pepsin enzyme, mucus. It is secreted lining of stomach, not secreted. Okay, so this gastric juice and these kind of things hold food and stop performing function. What is the role of HCl? It will create acidic medium in the stomach for the action of enzyme pepsin. Second role, to kill microorganism enter food. Second one is enzyme pepsin help in the digestion of protein molecules. Third one is mucus. It prevent or protect the lining of stomach from harmful action of HCl. After that, food entered to the small intestine. Small intestine secreted intestinal juice. Liver secreted bile. Pancreas secreted pancreas juice. Finally, these two things will come to small intestine. So finally we have bile, pancreatic and intestinal juice. What is the role of bile? It will converted fat molecules into small trough of fat molecules. Then pancreatic juice, it having two type of enzyme. Trypsin, it converted digest protein molecules. Lipase, it is digest fat molecules. Third one is intestinal juice. Maximum of the digestive process occur here only. All carbohydrate is converted into glucose. All protein converted into amino acid. Fat is converted into acid, fatty acid and glycerol. All the end product or nutrient to be absorbed in the blood. This one is microvilli particle. It will absorb all the nutrient and send to the blood vessels. Next one is large intestine. Nutrient are absorbed in small intestine. What are the things left? Okay, what are the things left in small intestine? Plus unwanted waste plus water. All the things will move to large intestine. Reabsorbed in the blood and return to the blood. Then next part. The excreta only remain in the large intestine, which finally move to rectum. This rectum finally move last part of anus. From the anus it passed out of body. Opening of anus, circular muscle is present, is called as sphincter muscle. Two places the sphincter muscles are present, here. Then here, two places sphincter muscles are present. What is the role of sphincter? Contract and relaxed in order to open and close the anus to passage of the excreta out from the body. Then sphincter of muscles also presented opening of mouth. What is the role? Same role. Sent food into small intestine.